Hey guys, welcome back to another edition of Flock Tales with Bill, the Kansas Flamingo Chef. This is a unusual drink and one you're not going to hear about in most bars anymore. But believe it or not, this was the original tailgater drink. For the Army-Navy football game forever, this drink was what people clinked between each other instead of a bottle of beer. Served traditionally in a coupe glass. I'm going to use this martini. What we need first of all is a shaker of ice. We need some lemon juice. I've got freshly squeezed lemon juice. Some orgeat syrup, which is almond syrup. Aromatic bitters. And gin. It's a very simple recipe. It's a shaken recipe. You're going to start out with 2 ounces of gin. I prefer the Bombay Sapphire, but any London dry gin will work just fine. Then you're going to add 1 ounce of lemon juice. You add 3/4 of an ounce of your orgeat almond syrup. Finally, we're going to add a splash of bitters. Shake it up. All you're going to do is strain this straight into the glass. And that's it. You can garnish this with a lemon wheel or a grapefruit wheel if you like. It really doesn't need either one, quite frankly. But there it is, the Army and Navy gin cocktail. It's pretty good. Until next time, eat and drink fabulous. And let me know if there's something you'd like me to shoot on video. Reach out to me, Bill at KansasFlamingoChef.com, and I'll see you on the next one.